Welcome everybody to live trading action by In The Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is June 18, 2015. Today I'm going to talk about a stock that is not so sexy. Every time traders are out there, they always want to trade the Apples, the Facebooks. They want to trade the fast-moving stocks that are always in the news. But sometimes in time, and when you have volatile markets or markets that are sludging along, it's good to find solid companies that are coming into good technical chart support levels. And I'm going to show you a stock I think is doing that right now. Name of the company is OMC, Omnicom Group. Now, this company is an advertising agency. It's not the most sexiest stock. It's not an Apple. It's not a Facebook. It's not a Google or an Amazon. In fact, it's kind of a little bit on the bland side. But you can see how this stock came right into this $72 level. And if you just go back, you're going to see a pivot here. You're going to see a gap window there. And if you scroll back the hands of time a little bit, you'll even see some consolidation where the stock was able to break out. So you know that's a very, very good support level. Now, if you take a look at the weekly chart, you may say, well, it's already bounced already. But this is a stock that can easily get back up to around $77. And why do I say that? If you take a look at this 20-day moving average on the weekly chart, and that was the last prior base, that's where your bounce can go in the near term. In the longer scheme of things, you could look at a stock like this moving all the way back up to around $84, $85, potentially making new highs once it recaptures that 20-day moving average and puts in a little bit of a base. So again, this is a stock that may not be so sexy. It may not be the creme de la creme when it comes to news media names, but it's a stock that pays you a little dividend and it has upside potential. And when you look at its monthly chart, you'll see that it's holding a very, very nice monthly chart uptrend. Look at the 20-period moving average on the monthly chart. Every time it backtests that, it moves up. And nice thing about this stock is simply that you can use the most recent low, which was basically around 71.50. Any closed below 71.50, you just simply move out of the stock with a small loss. So your stop loss is very, very small, but your upside potential takes you all the way up to around $77. So this is an equity. Sometimes when you get volatile markets, you don't always want to look at the sexy names or look at the names that are so much getting so much hype by the media. Sometimes you want to look at the plain vanilla names. Sometimes you want to look at the boring names. Whenever I see a lot of volatility in the market or a lot of choppiness or whipsaw, the one thing I like to do is scale myself down, and I go to these boring type stocks, and I'll look at these kind of names, and these are the stocks that I'll try to identify for potential major support patterns that could give me a decent solid bounce where I can make some money. All right, everybody, hope you enjoyed live trading action. My name's Nick Santiago. I will see you again on the charts.